Hello and welcome to the channel. This is an introduction video, so I'm going to be talking a little bit about what this channel is about and why you may or may not want to continue to subscribe and follow this channel. So my name's Peter Lee. I'm based in Shanghai in China, and my main hobby is street photography. I'm very passionate about that. I try to go out every single day to take pictures on the streets of Shanghai, but also, if I'm not in Shanghai, wherever I am, I'll also try to take some pictures and just follow my hobby. So what I hope to do with this channel is really share with you a few things. First of all, just share some of the photos I've taken and also the story behind them. Often there's a really interesting story, but also some tips and techniques on how I took the picture, and I think that's very helpful. And then also I'll be sharing some general tips on street photography based on my own experience, some of the things that will help to improve your street photography. And I'm also going to be doing quite a lot of sort of discussion on my sort of equipment. So this is one of the cameras I use. This is a Rolleiflex T. I also have a Leica Q2, sorry, which I really like. There's also a Zenza Bronica ETRS, and I'm going to be talking a lot about this one. This is the first medium format camera I ever bought. And also probably the one I've been using the longest, which is my digital SLR, which is the Canon EOS 5D. This is the original version. There has now been four versions in total, so the latest model is Mark IV, but I'm still using the original one. And then really my ultimate favorite, so just now I showed the Rolleiflex T. This is just a Rolleiflex twin lens reflex camera, and a lot of the pictures I take even today are using this camera. It's from 1960, so it's about 63 years old, and it still works perfectly, and I get really good results. And I hope to share with you some of the reasons why I can take better pictures with that than I can with a digital camera like the Leica I have. And you may be surprised by some of the reasons, and hopefully you'll be inspired and maybe even go out and buy a medium format camera yourself. It might not be a Rolleiflex because they are quite expensive, but there are quite a few really good alternatives. For example, the Leica Mat 124G, which can be picked up for $200 or $300. The Rolleiflexes are more closer to $1,000 to $2,000 US. And yeah, you don't need to get one of those to get the similar results. And I've got some examples of pictures I've taken with the cheaper Leica, and they're equally as good. So if you think this is something you'd be interested in following, please do like and subscribe to the channel, and then I will be uploading a lot more videos in the coming weeks on all of the sort of topics I've talked about. And finally, there is also a blog that complements this channel. It's called ChinaStreetPhotography.com. I'll put the link in the description, so you can, if you don't really enjoy video, you prefer to read about things, for every post that I do on YouTube, there will be also a blog post that corresponds with that, so you can choose whether you want to watch the video or you prefer to read the blog. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.